little foggy to begin your Sunday. Visibilities are down to a quarter of a mile in some locations. It's mainly across North Alabama and Northeast Alabama, especially in Talladega. Here's the view from the Superspeedway this morning. It's already starting to clear up a little bit, but I would certainly say it's kind of a dull and gray start to the day. Over the next couple of hours, that fog will mix out, and we've actually got brighter skies in store for this afternoon. 61 degrees, mild and muggy, but we've got a dry forecast today, which is excellent news for those of you at Dega with the Jack Links 500 this afternoon. Not expecting any rain, brighter skies. Temperatures are going to peak in the low 80s today, and so we've got a steady climb all the way up into the afternoon. It's going to be pretty toasty out there. No weather-related issues. We do have some rain and storms ahead. Tuesday and Wednesday are both first warning impact days. Not only will the weather be inconvenient, but there could be some stronger storms, especially Tuesday evening into Tuesday night. And then you'll see that rain chances slim for the second half of the week. It's actually going to turn a little cooler behind a frontal boundary, and we're just looking at some spotty showers for the end of the week. So heavy rain and storms, a guarantee. The on the table at this point mainly appear to be damaging wind gusts and large hail, and I think that is localized. We're not expecting a widespread severe weather event. Potentially 2 rounds, but at this point I'm mainly just looking at the window for Tuesday evening and Tuesday night for severe storms. Tuesday morning, a couple of storms are going to drift in from the north and west, but it looks like they weaken pretty quickly. This is the severe weather risk map for tomorrow. You can see the bullseye is here well to our north, and we just have a marginal risk that covers the northwestern corner of Alabama. And so, as I said, by Monday evening into early Tuesday, that line of storms is going to have weakened significantly, and it just doesn't have a lot of steam by the time it gets here. But Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, the risk looks a little greater. It looks like we may have a little bit more instability and wind shear, and so the Storm Prediction Center has included a slight risk for the northwestern corner of the state, and you'll notice the marginal risk is shifted a little further south. And you know not to get fixated on these maps because they change. We recognize that since early this week. Talking about timing here, today dry. Tomorrow mainly dry. It isn't until really late tomorrow night, we're talking about after midnight, early Tuesday, when that line of storms starts to edge into the north, and it may break apart somewhat. This model is actually holding it together a little more than some of the other models. Through sunrise, those storms continue to shift south, and they may just be some showers at that point. That's Tuesday morning, but then our next round comes in Tuesday evening into Tuesday night. Now the timing could speed up or slow down. We're still a couple days away, but Tuesday night we expect more of a widespread rain and storm event, and some of those could produce some gusty winds in addition to the heavy downpours, and some of that may carry us through the early morning hours of Wednesday, but we should start to see some clearing through mid-morning and midday on Wednesday. Again, not expecting widespread severe weather, just one of those things where you've got to watch and keep a close eye. Temperatures will drop off behind the front. We're actually going to be in the 70s for the second half of the week.